Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a little bit different video. I'm doing a quick unboxing review of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 by Samsung, obviously, and the carrier is going to be T-Mobile. So I brought out the old dusty iPhone, 10R just to compare it, but I'll put that aside for now. But anyways, this is what you get. It comes in a very discreet cardboard box when it's delivered to your home. They obviously don't want other people to know that you got a $1,500 phone. So then you open that, and then this is what you get. Okay, let's put this aside. As you may not know, I am actually a very hardcore fan of Samsung. I really love Samsung compared to iPhone. Everyone has their preferences, but I've owned various iPhones, I've owned many Androids, and they tend to be my favorite. So anyways, it comes with this little film on here. Take that, put that right there, put that film aside. It also comes with, let's see, what is this? A little takedown tool. Okay, they all come with that. Let's see what's inside of here. Okay, looks like we got a power cable. Alright. And probably the most unread pieces of literature out there, which is the instructions for the phone. Those are here, terms and conditions, quick start guide. We'll put that off to the side. No power box, no power adapter. Okay, just the cable. No headphones. That's pretty much it. So really just the phone and essentially the power cable, nothing else. So do what you want with that information, but $1,500, okay, plus tax. Or actually, you know what? No, I'm sorry. This is not $1,500. I think this was closer to $1,100. Okay, make that correction. I was confusing it with the Fold, which was one that I was considering getting, and I did not get that one. I may get it down the road, but anyways, sorry, about $1,100. Okay, pretty cool. So this is compared to an iPhone 10R. Looks like it's a little bit taller. It's a little bit less wide. I would say it's a little less wide. Let me see here. Okay. It's a little bit less wide, just slightly. I would say they're pretty actually close to the same. But I can tell you that the iPhone is thicker. It's a little bit thicker, okay? But you obviously get the phone for this right here, right? This crease is why you get this phone, this hinge. So you can do this, right? Pretty cool. It feels very sturdy. We'll find out. As you know, I do construction and service work, so we'll find out how durable it is. But well, there you go. When it's folded, it's about half the size of a regular iPhone 10R. A little bit thicker, obviously. But man, this is going to fit in your pocket really well. So let's go ahead and open this. Getting my finger marks all over it, but let's see if it powers up. Oh, it looks like it's got a little display on the back too. This is just an unboxing video, guys and gals. I'm going to do a little bit more in depth on how the functionality of it, but I just wanted to share this video quickly so that you can see what is included. Yeah, so I'm going to go put my SIM card in, and I'll do another video on how that goes. But essentially for $1,100, you get the phone, charging cable, and the little takedown tool, and that's it, nothing else, okay? So I'll go ahead and go through the setup on this, but yeah, I mean, I'm super excited for this phone. Really, really cool. I like that function. Let me know what you guys think. You know, what do you guys want to see on this phone? I'll definitely be making more videos. But till then, we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you later.